Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about how to build an online course in Wix. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. Today in this video, we're diving into an exciting topic regarding how to build your very own online course using the powerful tools that Wix offers. If you've ever dreamed of sharing your expertise and connecting with eager learners worldwide, then you're in the right place. Wix has revolutionized the way we approach online course creation, providing an all in one solution that lets you focus on what you do best, which is crafting exceptional content. So, whether you're a seasoned educator or embarking on your first online course journey, let's explore the step by step process on creating an engaging and lucrative online course with Wix. So, to kick off your journey, let's begin onto logging in onto your Wix account. From here, you'll have the option to type in your email, or you can continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple. Or if you don't have an account, you can click on sign up. So just follow the login prompts and then you'll be able to see the dashboard. So once you're here, just choose onto a website that you'll choose. So for this one, I'll choose this website in here, the one with the website name. So just click onto that. We'll begin by integrating the Wix online program app into your website. So as Wix has continually evolved to meet the needs of entrepreneurs, this feature showcases its commitment to empowering online educators. Head over to Add Apps and search for Wix online programs, and with just a few clicks, you'll unlock a world of possibilities for crafting comprehensive multi step courses. Now, since you've seen the apps, just click on App Market to continue. Wix App Market is where the users can find and integrate various third party applications or apps into their Wix websites. So these apps can add functionalities such as forms, social media feeds, e-commerce features, booking systems, and more. These apps are developed by third-party developers and can enhance the capabilities of your Wix website. Now you'll just need to head onto the search bar, and onto the search bar you'll need to type in Wix online programs. So you can see it onto the first part. You'll just need to click onto this, and then right after, you'll see a quick overview regarding the program. So you'll just need to scroll down in here. So you can see in here the Wix Online Programs overview. And if you scroll down furthermore, you'll see its ratings. Now to add this, you'll just need to click on Add to this site, and this will install onto your website. Now right on this part, it will ask you what do you want to create, and then we'll just choose online course, then we'll click next. With the Wix online program app in your toolkit, it's time to shape our online course foundation. So there are a lot of choices in there, but for this one, we'll choose online course. The beauty of this feature lies in its flexibility. Whether you're starting from scratch or utilizing a preset template, Wix caters to your unique visions. As you can see, Wix offers a lot of templates in here that you would be able to use. So these are pre-designed already. So once you click on that, you'd be finished already. But for this one, let's offer the Start Fresh option to unleash your creativity. Then click Next. So right after, it will ask you what do you want to call your program. So for this one, let's call this Wix online course tutorial, and then right after, just click on to Next. Now it should be your decision time. So how should participant complete your program? Should it be self-paced or scheduled? Now let's click on to self-paced. How long do participants have to complete your program? So we have unlimited in here, and we also have time limit. So let's click onto unlimited. Now you have gone ahead and already created your website, which is titled Wix Online Course Tutorial. On this part, you'll have a quick overview on what you've input earlier regarding the details that you've added for your online course. So as you can see, this blue button in here is the edit page. So within the editor, you'll find your online course content laid out. So this could be a dedicated page or a section within a page. So you can click on the course module or element that you want to edit. Here you can easily access your course outline, lessons, quizzes, videos, and more. Wix intuitive interface ensures that updating your content is a breeze. Now, as you can see here on the content part, you can add in an introduction or the steps in the introduction. Also, you have here an add button, so you can add in more contents such as tabs, quiz, or a section, or you can import a step. So this is what it looks like if you'll add in a step. So as you can see, you can add in a name, a section, and also you can add media or files for your contents. And then right after, just click on save if you're done. Having a substantial amount of content in your online course holds significant importance for both instructors and students. For us instructors, it allows for a comprehensive exploration of the subject matter, demonstrating expertise and building credibility. A diverse range of content types caters to various learning preferences, accommodating different students and enhancing engagement. A content rich course is often perceived as having higher value, attracting enrollments and positive reviews. For students, abundant content offers a more thorough and customizable learning experience, addressing diverse skill levels and preferences. So it reduces dropout rates by maintaining interest and motivation, leading to better outcomes. Moreover, a course with extensive content serves as a lasting resource, encouraging continuous learning. Ultimately, a well balanced combination of quality and quantity ensures that students gain in depth knowledge and practical skills while instructors establish themselves as reliable educators in the online course landscape. Now, let's talk about the pricing of your course. Setting up the appropriate pricing for your online course is a pivotal decision that necessitates careful consideration of several key factors. The value proposition and content quality of your course should align with the price you set, ensuring a fair exchange of value for both you and potential students. Thorough market research is essential to gauge competitor pricing and understand student expectations. Tailoring your pricing strategy to your target audience, demographic preferences, and financial capacities is crucial for optimizing enrollment rates. Longer, more comprehensive courses or those covering specialized topics can command higher prices while showcasing unique features, professional presentation, and practical application can enhance perceived value. So try experimenting with pricing tiers, promotions, and discounts that can also influence students' interest and engagement. Ultimately, the ideal pricing should reflect the distinct benefits and transformation your course offers, fostering a balance between affordability and value provided to your students. Regular evaluation and adjustments based on market feedback contribute to building a sustainable and successful online course venture. So the next time that we have in here is scheduling. So we've gone ahead and already updated that one earlier. So let's head on to this one, which is group. So you can connect a group or bring your program participants together in a group so that they can create polls, post, or connect to each one another. Then right after you can add in rewards as well or badges so that you can give this to the participants of your group or course whenever they complete a course. Now you can also adjust its notification, so feel free to skim through all of the details in here so that you can activate or deactivate the notifications that you prefer. So after making your edits, it's crucial to review and preview your changes before publishing. So you can click onto the preview button in here to experience your course as your learners will. This step will allow you to catch any typos, formatting issues, or content gaps before your students dive in. Once you're satisfied with your edit, it's time to publish your updated course. Click Publish in the Wix editor to make your changes live. Your learners will now experience your course with all the enhancements and updates you've made. And then congratulations, you've successfully learned how to edit your online course in Wix. Remember, editing is a dynamic process. As your course evolves and grows, you can return to the Wix editor to refine and enhance your content. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing as well for more insights into crafting exceptional online courses. And until then, stay tuned for our next tutorial and happy editing!